Good morning, students. We are doing your chapter 3 metals and non-metals. Today we will study about the physical properties of metals and non-metals. Physical properties of metals and non-metals. So let us discuss one by one. So first property we discuss here, physical state. Physical state. All metals are solid at room temperature. सारी metals क्या हैं आपकी? Solid at room temperature, and the examples are iron, copper, gold and silver, etc. फिजिकल स्टेट की बात करेंगे. ऑल द मेटल्स आर सॉलिड. Examples are iron, copper, gold and silver. But one exception is there. Mercury. That is your Hg. Mercury. This is liquid at room temperature. So all the metals are solid except this. This is mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. You have seen in your thermometers, देखा है thermometers में होता है आपका bottom पर आपके क्या है liquid होता है, and that is your mercury. Let's talk about non-metals. Non-metals exist in solid, liquid and gaseous form. Carbon, sulfur, phosphorus and iodine are the example of non-metal which exist in solid state. Carbon है, sulfur है, phosphorus है आपका, iodine है, etc. These all are your solid at room temperature. Bromine क्या है आपका यहाँ पर? Liquid है. और गैशियस आपका कौन सा है? क्लोरीन हो गया, ऑक्सीजन एक्सेट्रा. These are your exist in gaseous form. Clear? So on the basis of physical state, all the metals are solid. One exception is there, that is mercury, which is liquid at room temperature, and non-metals are all solid, liquid and gas. You learn this example. After that, melting point and boiling point. Metals generally have high melting as well as high boiling point. इनका melting और high melting and high boiling. High melt. For example, melting point of iron is 1536 degrees Celsius and its boiling point is 3000 Celsius. But one exception is there, that is your cesium, जिसका melting point कितना है? 28.7 degree Celsius. Generally metals का क्या है? Melting और boiling point क्या है? High. But one exception is there, that is cesium, जिसका melting point क्या है? बहुत ज़्यादा कम है, that is 28.7 degree Celsius. तो ये लर्न करना है, आपको याद रखना है. Non metals generally have low melting and boiling points. For example, melting point of sulfur is 119 degree. बट यहाँ पर भी आपकी एक एक्सेप्शन है. सपोज सल्फर क्या है 119 डिग्री सेल्सियस, और यहाँ पर डायमंड है. मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ डायमंड कितना है, विच इज वेरी वेरी हाई, दैट इज 3723 डिग्री सेल्सियस, विच इज वेरी वेरी हाई. Diamond, one of the form of carbon. ठीक है. So these are the exception you should remember. Generally जो आप लिखोगे melting point and boiling point of all the metals are high, one exception. And in case of non-metal, boiling and the melting point are very low, but one exception, that is diamond. And diamond is the one of the form of carbon, that is 3723 degree Celsius. Yes, after that, third point is density. Metals have generally high density and non-metals have generally low density. However, some of the exceptions are there. Sodium and potassium, which are metal, have quite low density. Sodium और potassium आपकी metal है, but still they are having the very low density. Their density value is very very less than that of water. Exception: sodium and potassium. Sorry, K. Their density is very very low, which is very very less than that of your water. ठीक है. Fourth point is hardness. Most of the metals are hard. Hardness. Most of the metals are hard. They can withstand quite high pressure without getting distorted. While the non-metals are generally not hard, they are brittle and easily break into pieces when they hammered. Metals are generally very hard and non-metals are very soft, or we can say brittle. Yes, again there are some exceptions there. Sodium and potassium are the metal. They are so soft that they can be cut with the help of knife. On the other hand, in case of non-metals, sodium and potassium. In case of non-metal, we are having diamond, which is very hard. These are the exception. क्योंकि हमने क्या कहा है कि all the metals are hard and all the non-metals are brittle, but exception diamond in case of non-metal and sodium and potassium in case of metal. These are very very soft. We are having on the basis of this activity 1, take some crystal of iodine and beat them with a duster. What do you observe? The crystal easily break into small pieces. Okay? So this is the example of hardness. After that, fifth point is luster. Luster means shiny appearance. Metals have shining surface. This is known as metallic luster. Non-metals generally have a dull appearance. That is, they are non-lustrous. So these are the lustrous means shiny appearance. and these are non-lustrous. Iodine is the only metal which has a natural luster. So iodine is the only non-metal which has a natural luster. So beta yes, so this is all about today, and next point we will discuss in our next topic. Thank you, students.